Hey fellow riders, this is what I'm packing for the Blue Ridge trip, starting right now on MotoTravelUSA. Hey guys, so I'm getting ready for the Blue Ridge trip and just wanted to record and show you what I'm bringing on this particular trip. As you can see, I have things separated for the left and right bag. I like to do that just to make sure the weight is evenly distributed. So starting with the right bag, I have the electronics, everything to charge iPhones, battery packs, cameras. I also plan to hike some on this trip, so I'm bringing my hiking boots in addition to my motorcycle boots. I don't like hiking in my motorcycle boots, so if I'm gonna hike, I like to bring dedicated boots for that. I put my toiletries in a Ziploc bag. I know it's kind of ghetto, but it packs down a lot thinner than bags you would get at the store, and usually those are really big and bulky, especially for men. Also like to bring some snacks, since sometimes I'll be in the middle of nowhere, might want some energy, a belt and extra socks. I bring a bunch of emergency. I try to take that daily when on trips, boost my body's ability to fight germs and everything. When riding on the motorcycle, I like to wear dry fit shirts. Just find that a lot more comfortable than a cotton shirt, and also dry fit underwear. Also bring a long sleeve shirt. These late September, early October trips, sometimes the temperature could vary widely, and looking ahead, 45 is the lowest I've seen so far. And I bring a polo as well, in case I want to go to dinner and if I want something a little bit nicer looking than a dry fit shirt. And a pair of jeans. The left side is pretty much identical. There are some changes. Obviously the toiletries and everything, I have different toiletries in there. On this side, instead of the long sleeve shirt and the polo, I have a pair of shorts so I can go hiking. And then I have a pair of Under Armour base layer for my legs. Again, if it gets cold, those are perfect for underneath my suit. And then another pair of jeans. So these bags balance out. These bags I typically bring in with me to the hotels. Here's my suit. I have a Climb Latitude jacket and pants. Perfect for a trip like this, where the weather is going to be rainy some days, sunny others. This suit has treated me very well. And the Schuberth C3 Pro that I've done the review on. For the top case, I try to keep that relatively empty so I can put things in there like the tank bag when I'm parked, the GPS, the radar detector. So I really only put a few things in there. On the right, you can see I bring the paperwork for all the hotels and areas I'm gonna be going. I bring this awesome Nelson Rig travel cover. I like to cover up my bike at hotels. Keep eyes off of it, and it's nice and dry in the morning, and this is one of the best I've found. That's actually a little bigger than needed for my FJR, and it scrunches down to that, which is awesome. Bring my iPad and the DJI Osmo to film with, and then also in the trunk I'm gonna have my filming bag. I bought this off of Amazon. It's a DSLR holster bag. It's a bit small, but it's perfect for GoPro and all that I need. So within here, I keep the memory cards in this hard case. I have polarizers and neutral density filters in here for the GoPro. This is a battery backup. What that does is help me charge the GoPro batteries while on the road. Once one GoPro battery goes dead, I put it in the back, hook it up to this battery pack, and it'll charge. So we constantly have battery ready for the GoPro to document everything for you guys. And then here's a hard drive. This is a battery powered hard drive with an SD card slot, and I can put the GoPro cards in there and back them up to this. Runs off a battery and Wi-Fi. I can connect to it over the iPhone. And that's pretty much it. Top case, my riding suit, and then all my clothes and a few snacks fit into there, and I'm ready to go. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and definitely share things that you might bring that you don't even see here. But for what I'm doing on this Blue Ridge trip, this is perfect. Well, if you liked the video and it helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for joining me today on Moto Travel USA. Now let's go explore.